Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock this recipe, the sea grape and shiitake chawanmushi recipe in Heartopia Call of Wheels event. Okay, let's get into it guys. At first, I thought if we want to unlock this recipe, we need to level up our cooking hobby. But turns out we can buy the recipe from Massimus Cooking Store. So you're going to visit him at the Wellfall Canyon and you're going to open up the cooking store and then just scroll down and you'll find this recipe. The Shiitake Chawanmushi. This one, sea grape and Shiitake Chawanmushi. Okay, I'm going to purchase it and don't forget to learn. Okay, and then we're going to cook the dish with our normal stove. So I'm gonna go back to my home first. Okay, let's start cooking. I'm going to use my normal stove. And then I'm going to use the recipe we've just purchased, this one, sea grape and shiitake chawanmushi. We need these sea grapes and shiitake mushroom and also this egg, pasteurized egg. And then I'm gonna cook it. Okay, done guys. And this is the first time I make the sea grape and shiitake chawanmushi. Okay, and that's how we can make the sea grape and shiitake chawanmushi in Heartopia Call of Wheels event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.